Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Mozilla Firefox. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be firefox.com. Go ahead and open that up and then select download Firefox. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher from the Mozilla Corporation. Select yes, and then allow this to install here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.